Okay, the last event we'll be showing is the motion sensor event. This event showcases Cisco Open Platform for Safety and Security technology. This event will show off quite a few different things. First we'll see the blue LED light flash. We'll see the Axis 213 PTZ pan tilt zoom camera zoom over to this door over here, simulating a motion event being triggered and someone perhaps leaving or coming in through the door who's not supposed to. We will get a Informacast message to the phone, both text and audio, and again we will hear the PMC client over the laptop with the audio describing the demonstration, and we will see on the screen the video. The first step the demo engineer will take is to log into the VSOM via this shortcut, and they will log in with a username of demo and a password of Cisco. And here we see the display from the Axis 213 camera. And the last thing that will happen is the Cisco IP phone will receive a call from iPix. This call will ask them to join a VTG, which will bridge the VHF and UHF radios to the phone. So the radios will be able to talk to the phone, and the phone will be able to talk to the radios. So there's a lot going on in this demonstration, so we'll go through it a couple times so that you can see everything close up.
Warning. Motion has been detected in the demo center. Cisco Video Surveillance will be recording the event. The system will be sending an audio alert and text message. Cisco iPix will be calling security and activating virtual radio talk group.
At this point, the demo engineer will answer the phone.
This is Cisco iPix calling. Press any key to continue. Welcome to Cisco iPix. Enter your digit ID, followed by pound.
The ID is 1111.
Enter your PIN, followed by pound.
The PIN is 1111.
You have been invited to join VTG.
First responders.
You are about to join VTG.
First responders.
There may be several seconds of silence. Please don't hang up. You have joined VTG.
First responders.
To start talking, press 1. When you are done talking, press 2. To hear more options, press 0. Or press star to return to the main menu.
Test 1 2. So you can hear the voice from the phone over the radios. The radios should be probably apart a little more so you don't get the feedback and echo. And let's go through the event again. And at this time I'm going to see if we can get this to show up on the camera, but I'm basically just going to stay focused on the display so you can see the camera movement.
Warning. Motion has been detected in the demo center. Cisco Video Surveillance will be recording the event. The system will be sending an audio alert and text message. Cisco iPix will be calling security and activating virtual radio talk group.
Okay, I just hung up on the iPix call so we could keep it short and do it again. I think you saw the display well enough on this one, so I will just go through the event one more time.
Warning. motion has been detected in the demo center. Cisco video surveillance will be recording the event. The system will be sending an audio alert and text message. Cisco IPIX will be calling security and activating virtual radio talk group.
This is Cisco IPIX calling. Press any key to continue. Welcome to Cisco IPIX. Enter your digit ID, followed by pound. Enter your PIN, followed by pound. You have been invited to join VTG. First responders. You are about to join VTG. First responders. There may be several seconds of silence. Please don't hang up. You have joined VTG. First responders. To start talking, press 1. When you are done talking, press 2. To hear more options, press 0. Or press star to return to the main menu.
Test 1, 2. And there you have it. There are all the events that we went through: energy demand, air restriction, light sensor, gas sensor, and motion sensor. And if you didn't get this before, the display is smart and connected communities. Pan out and give you another long view of the demonstration display properties.